What's up guys, hope you are doing well there and welcome to the channel C Show. My name is Lena. So today we will be discussing more about Aspectum Pro options, Pro features. I hope to show you all the options that you can get when you buy a Pro plan from Aspectum. If you still don't know about the most powerful cloud-based platform for GIS analysis, click the card showing in the top right corner here, watch the episode 1 and come back to here later. Without further delay, let's get started. But before that, hit the red subscribe button if you want to see more educational and useful stuff and click the bell icon to get all the important notifications. Right, I am going to log into my Aspectum account using my email and my password. And if you want, you can use your Google, LinkedIn or Facebook accounts to log into your Aspectum account. Okay, right. This is the very first interface of the Aspectum account. You can see a search bar that you can use to search anything within your Aspectum account. And here you can see some tabs including maps, datasets, analysis, all maps, favorites, public, demo, and there are some tags. That means you can add some tags to specific maps. Later you can search any map very quickly using these tags, and here you can classify the maps. For now this is empty, this is a fresh account, and you can classify your maps or folders according to name or last modified date. You can change the view, list view and grid view here. You can add a folder or create a map, and you can do the same thing using right click button here, create a map and adding a folder. Right, I will show you how to create a simple map in later tutorials, but today I'm going to show you some other things that you can do and some other things that you can practice using these demo maps. Let's go to these demo maps. Here you can see we have been provided 16 different demo maps which are free to use, free to practice anything. If you want, you can edit these maps. For now, I am going to open this USA property taxes map. Here you can see some 3 dots. You can click this one and open, or you can double click on the map to open the map. One thing I forgot to tell you, you can see this is a chat button. If you want, you can click on this chat button. If you have anything to ask, you are free to ask by sending a message, or if you have any questions, you can search your questions and read the Aspectum articles to get a solution for your problems. This is totally fun when you are working on your map. You can have a little chat with this one. Okay, I'm going to close this chatbot for now. This is the editing view of the Aspectum. You can see this is the widget panel and this is the legend of the existing map. And if you want to zoom in, zoom out, you can use your mouse wheel, or you can do the same thing using this minus and plus button. And if you want to measure a distance, you can use your distance measuring tool. You have to enable it and then zoom into the interested location, click here and click here, you will get the distance. Right, close this one. If you want to measure area, what you have to do is simply zoom into the interested area. Suppose this is our interested area, this is a tank. So re-enable the measuring tool, simply click and cover the area that you are interested in. Right? This will show you the area in square kilometers. Also, if you want, you can use this compass button for better navigation, and you have a 3D view. Click on this one to get a 3D view. This map don't have an elevation data, so this is not much useful, but anyway you can use this 3D view when you have an elevation data. Right, I'm going to turn off this 3D view. Let's talk about this panel, widget panel. You can hide this panel and hide this or minimize this legend for better view. Right, this widget panel is very special for the Aspectum because you can customize these widgets to showcase your numbers in a graphical form. Sometimes you can see bars, charts easily. You can see this legend. When I zoom out, this will be disabled by default. Right, this is something interesting. When I zoom out or zoom in, this will re-disabled or this will be re-enabled automatically. This is called as a live legend. I can name it as a live legend because when we zoom out, the legend will be changed accordingly. Right, when I zoom in, to the interested area, the legend will change. If you want to see an attribute, what you have to do is zoom into the interested area, just click on the interested area, and that will give you a pop-up menu. Click on what you are interested in, see the attributes, right? You can see the area, population, and so on. Right, let's check on another area. This is the attributes. Right, if you want, you can hide this layer using this icon. Also, here you have another search bar that you can search any location. All you have to do is type your interested area and search. Right, let me go back and show you another map. There are some 16 different maps with different data layers that you can practice number of things within this Aspectum account. Right, let's open this Europe London demography map. Click here and open. It will take some time to load. It depends on your internet connection. Right, anyway, this is the map. You can pan your map using your mouse or zoom in, zoom out easily. This is another widget. You can add or customize widgets according to your needs. This is filter by districts. That means this widget can filter your districts. Let me show you. If you want, you can search any district, type here and select. I will select this district for now. You can see how it's changed. Widget is also changed and the map at the same time. Let me select another district. Right, you can see how it changes with the selection. You don't need to write any queries like in GIS. You can simply select. You can save time actually. If you want to reset the map, you can use this reset button to load complete map. Let's check another attributes. I'm going to select some interested area here. This one, same like previous. This will give you a pop-up menu to see all the attributes. And also here you can see some numbers. That means there are 33 districts. You can filter out any district as you want, and same time you can see the statistics in a graphical form. This is very nice and very unique to the Aspectum. If you want to maximize this one, you can use this maximize icon and get a better view of the numbers. Okay, right, there are so many maps to see, so many things, but I'm not going to show you all the things in this tutorial, so I think that this is enough for today. In the next episode, I will show you how to import your GIS data to your Aspectum account and how to start creating a simple map like this one. Okay, that's all for today. If you are interested in learning GIS, remote sensing and more educational stuff, hit the red subscribe button down there and click the bell icon for future notifications. I will be back with the next tutorial. So till then, take care and goodbye.